Are you hearing buzzing or humming from your light switch? That's your electrical system waving a red flag, and it is definitely not something you want to ignore. A buzzing light switch is never normal. So let's go over some most common reasons for this electrical hazard. Number 1, loose wiring. Over time, from poor installation, wires can loosen up, creating resistance that makes switches buzz. Beyond being annoying, it's dangerous. Loose wires are a fire hazard and can cause shocks, and it's definitely something a licensed electrician should take care of. Number 2, faulty switches. Switches wear out with daily use, especially dimmers. If your switch is old, damaged, or buzzing every time you flip it, that's a pretty good sign that it's time to replace it. Number 3, dimmer switch issues because of LED light bulbs. Many older dimmers were made for incandescent light bulbs, not LEDs. When mismatched, they hum. The fix is simple. Upgrade to an LED compatible dimmer or make sure your light bulbs match your dimmer specs. Fourth, and the most serious cause, is electrical arcing. That's when electricity actually jumps through an air gap, making a buzzing, popping, or clicking noise. This can spark fires if not handled correctly. If you suspect arcing, don't wait, call an electrician immediately. Bottom line, buzzing light switch isn't normal. Sometimes it's a small fix, but other times it's a serious safety issue. If you're in Arizona, Parker & Sons electricians can troubleshoot, repair, or replace switches and wiring to keep your home safe. Thanks for watching.